Alright guys, listen, here's the deal. I got me and myself, Mr. Christopher Carey. Okay? We're going to be doing the new initiation, which is getting on that lovely board and getting those cans. It's going to be really cool. We came up with this in like 5 seconds, so let's see where it goes.
Yeah, we're not that smart. Just to let you know, we're not that smart.
Alright Carey, we're on my count. 3, 2, 1, go! He screws up! Alright, that's one.
God. That's 2.
Okay, this is a little boring. Dude, you gotta make it more interesting.
Oh my God.
That's 3. Okay, that's 4. Yeah, get all of them.
5.
That's 5.
Spider-Man.
That's 6.
Get on the edges now.
He's taking it with him. Fortunately, there's no bonus points.
I need a swing now.
Okay. Alright, he's got 2 more. He's got 2 more.
No, I got 3 more.
Alright, dude, get the 3.
You can't count, Diggy.
Alright, dude, my turn.
No.
You got enough!
I got this.
Dude.
Walk it. Okay.
Oh my god. For the record, we really did not plan this, guys. So,
Swing it. Is this all stage through and flap through? No, this is
Coffee's not here. Carey, get off. Give yourself another push. Yeah, thank you, Meredith. Alright, get it, Carey. Get it, Carey. Alright, he needs 2 more people.
I think 8.
Okay, alright, now just hold it. Okay, now reset it.
Reset it. Somebody
Reset it.
Joe, you're allowed to do this, you know. Everyone's allowed. And as you can see, I didn't die, so it's completely safe.
Alright, now, listen, when we're done, just hit the center button of the direction.
There you go.
Don't me.
No, I'm just filming this. What?
Hit the center button of the direction keys to stop recording, okay?
Okay.
You didn't hit it, did you?
No. I'm still waiting for you, okay?
Yo, Dizzy, the red light's flash.
We got another one.
It's recording.
Well, it's recording now.
Here. I know. Alright.
We're recording this entire experience, you know that, right? And this is Sun Park over here. Let's go.
Over there.
Now we're talking for Sun. Okay, go! Come on, you can still do it. Look, you can do it. I believe in you. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on. I'm waiting over here, dude. Come on, you can get it. Okay. At least he landed it. Here he goes. He's going to try again. And he's going to wipe out. No!
I will get it. That's where you die. You're gonna die.
Come on. You could have grabbed it. Come on. I got 8. Or was it 7?